Hey guys, wanna easily scan documents using Google Drive on your phone device? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin, guys. First off, obviously open Google Drive on your device. You can use the website version inside your browser like Chrome or Safari, or you can use the app version because it is pretty much more useful and more easy to use. So now when inside, just quickly make sure you are logged in into the correct Google account, and when you made sure, you can freely click that plus icon at the bottom right. Now this action will bring up a pop-up menu, and from there simply choose the scan document option. So you will be asked for a permission to your phone's camera. Just simply tap allow, and when ready, just hold the document in front of the camera until it scans the document. So it will automatically scan it, and you can click save at the bottom right here. And in the name field, you can rename the document. Afterwards, you can change the location to where the document will be saved. But anyways, when ready, just click the upload option at the top right. So you have successfully saved the document to your Google Drive account. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.